Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to look at not just one Pepsi Cream Soda flavor, but two Pepsi Cream Soda flavors. We got the regular one, we got the strawberry one, and they're new in the Netherlands, and I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna find out, is it good, is it bad? And of course we're gonna tell you a little bit more about, well, how it tastes, the flavor, what it actually is, and of course the calories. Well, spoiler alert, almost no calorie because no sugar. Let's first take a look at the cream soda flavor, and let's skip the strawberry flavor for now because it's the original, right? Okay, the first step is, how does it look? What do you know? Looks like cola. That was what we knew actually. That's not all, of course. A cream soda is a cola with a little bit of vanilla, a creamy flavor targeted at Gen Z. So Gen Z, if you like your creamy vanilla flavors, I'm gonna try and find out if it's actually good. Okay, Pepsi dog, you got me there. That's not bad. That's not half bad. At first you get the vanilla taste, like you're drinking, well, like Coke vanilla, Pepsi vanilla. But then there's a little bit creamy after flavor. It's really not bad. Don't think I would drink this every day, but sometimes I think this could definitely be a great drink. As we already said, it has 0 calories. It has 2 calories, but almost 0. It's a zero product, so looking at the ingredients is kind of worthless. It's not like you're having a 50% cream, 50% cola. No, that's not how this works. So, on to the next round. It's time to try the strawberry cream flavor, and we can also compare the look. So I will add a little bit of color to this one, and I'm gonna shift this one out, and we're gonna try the strawberry one. Okay, first we can compare, and well, I'm not the sharpest eye in the world, but this looks nearly identical, so, well, I guess don't switch your drinks. This one is a strawberry. I'm going to put this one on the side. We got a strawberry. Also, pretty cool design. You got the pink detail and you got the creamy detail in the other one. And the first thing I want to tell you guys is that the smell is, at least the immediate smell is really intense, and it actually does smell like strawberry. So let's try if it actually tastes like strawberry. Okay guys, bad news. It doesn't really taste like strawberry to me. It's almost like it's cherry Coke, but with a little bit cream, not strawberry. It's not what it's promised. Pepsi are lying to us, and that's sad. But it's not half bad. It's not half good. It's not the product for me, I guess. And of course, taste can differ per person, but it's not what I expected and not what I liked, to be honest. And that's a bit sad for me. Let's rate these bad boys. Okay, so we got 2 Pepsi Cream Sodas in one review. And we got the original, the Pepsi Cream Soda, and this is gonna be a 4-star review. It's a great product. I like it. It's not as great as a regular Pepsi Zero Sugar, so, well, that's why it's not 5 stars, but yeah, so from time to time, it's a great side piece. Then we got the strawberry and cream flavor, and yeah, I'm gonna give it 2 stars. Sorry, Pepsi, it just doesn't have the taste I want and need. Well, let me tell you, at least when it's called strawberries and cream, let it taste like strawberries, or try to make it taste like strawberries. I don't know. It's 2 stars. So all in all, a 4-star product, a 2-star product, but we found one new good soda. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and of course, check you later.